Take the original wire and the new replacement wire head and cut them flat. Turn the wire clamp handle to separate the two clamps, leaving a certain gap. Adjust the current of the welding machine according to the type of wire. Bar is the minimum current, E is the maximum current. The thinner the wire, the smaller the current. Insert the two wire ends to be welded into the chuck respectively. Clamp them horizontally, aligned, and leave a certain length of the two wires for butt welding. Rotate the wire gripping handle to connect the two wire ends, and press the power switch to start welding. Take out the welded wire, and use an electric sander to smooth the welding. Electric sander